Alright guys, we're going to do a density lab today, and we're going to use water and oil. What we're going to do first is we're going to pour out some of this water. Well, most of the water, we're going to pour it out. Okay, right here. So with the water we poured out, we're going to put some food coloring in it. Let's make the water blue. How about that? So we put blue food coloring in the water. We're going to shake it up just to make it really good blue. Look at that. Perfect, right? And then we're going to use some oil. Which, let's use green for oil. Okay? It's already yellow anyway. We're going to take this green and pour it in here. And we're going to turn this oil green. Put the cap back on and shake it around. And see, it turns a nice pretty green color, right? So who knows what's going to happen when we mix oil and water? Is it going to mix together and turn yellow? Or is it going to separate out and be green on blue or blue on green? Who can tell me? So what we're going to do is we're going to take this blue water and this green oil. We're going to pour the green oil into the water. Look at that. It's kind of already mixing, right? Look. You can't really tell. So what we're going to do is we're going to shake this up. And then we're going to let it settle and see where it happens. Okay, so who thinks that the oil is going to sit on top of the water? And who thinks that the water is going to sit on top of the oil? And why is that? And I'm sorry for the lighting, but I'm doing this for my driveway because everybody in my house is asleep. And we don't want to wake them up, right? But as you can see, it's already starting to separate. See right down here is the blue. This is the green. Alright, it's not shading, it's not lighting or anything like that. And who knows why the oil is sitting on top of the water? Well, the reason why the oil is sitting on top of the water is because the oil is more dense than the water. Oil and water don't mix because they don't like each other. They don't want to combine at all. They are attracted more to their own molecules than they are of the opposites. That's why they separate and oil floats above the water, because it has a lower density than the water does. But if we really think oil and water really belong together, and if we try to add some dishwashing detergent to it, it would attract the water and the oil together and join them together and make it a different color. This is why we use dish detergent to wash greasy dishes and oil and grime off of the stuff that we want to use to eat with.